Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Match the hub's USB-C alternate modes and power delivery to your MacBook Pro. Once done, update Mac OS to avoid driver issues and backup critical files so you can revert if something goes wrong. Next, inspect the hub and cable for bent pins or damage and make sure the hub supports the devices you plan to attach. Now, position the MacBook on a stable surface, plug the hub firmly into a USB-C port, and feel for a secure connection. Once the hub is connected, plug the hub's power adapter into its PD inlet if you need charging. This ensures stable current for high-draw devices. Then attach peripherals one at a time. Start with storage to avoid bus resets, add a monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort, then keyboard, mouse, and Ethernet. Make sure cables are fully seated and not kinked. After devices are attached, open System Settings to confirm displays are detected and Network shows the Ethernet link. This helps isolate any recognizing failures early. To finish, verify charging is happening and that displays mirror or extend as you want. Adjust resolution and arrangement in settings. Eject external drives and safely disconnect peripherals when done. If something fails, first swap cables and ports to rule out a bad lead, next reboot the MacBook, and if needed, reset SMC or NVRAM to refresh hardware control. If problems persist, try a different hub or test your devices on another computer. This pinpoints whether the hub, cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.